video. So today I will talk about how to create a Zoom account for the first time. So let's begin. Click on Google, and once you're in Google, type in Zoom, create account, search, go to free sign up Zoom. So for making a Zoom account, you can put your work email address or your personal email address or any email address you want to open with. So click on put your personal email address, sign up, and for verification reason they require you to put your date of birth. So you can go on, type your date of birth, then hit continue. And for verification, that gives you a verification code that you need to type in. Type in the verification code the same here in the blank space that I'm typing in. So hit confirm. So it says we have sent an email to, click confirmation link in the email to begin using Zoom. So they send you an email in your Gmail account. So Gmail login. So what you need to do is just type in your email address, log into email address, log into email address. So once you log in, you can see there is an email that Zoom have sent you. Please activate your Zoom account. So click on activate account. So once you see, so it shows you are you signing up for behalf of school. So if you're doing it for school or any department of education, so you can hit yes, otherwise hit no. Hit continue, and once you hear welcome to Zoom, so you can put the name that you want. You can choose your name because you're probably using it for your classes. So in that case, because I'm showing you, for example, I'm just gonna go with a custom name. So for the password, you need to put 8 characters, 1 upper letter or lowercase, and numbers. And once you're done, hit continue, and that's it. Your Zoom is on. So once you're done with this, close the window, go to your Zoom app, sign in to your account using the account that we have just created. Enter the password. I think I did it wrong. Okay, enter the password. As you can see, this is the account I created, happy face, and this is your email Zoom account. So from here you can start a new meeting or join in a classroom with a meeting ID from the host. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video. Take care, guys.